everybody. Dr. Blumenthal back with you here in the DC office with Natural Transplants, and we are excited. We got Sheila coming in from Maryland today. Welcome.
Hello.
How are you feeling?
I'm great.
Doing okay now? We were a little nervous, or a lot nervous earlier.
A lot.
Which I could relate to. I was freaking out when I did mine. So we, after talking a little bit of Valium, I think we're feeling a little bit better. Is that true? Okay, good. We're smiling now at least, which is nice. Sheila, introduce yourself. First of all, thank you for doing this. Appreciate you sort of paying it forward and helping other people out there. But introduce us, to your story, what brings you in, how you found us, all that sort of stuff.
So started losing my hair about 20 years ago.
Okay.
And I thought that it would grow back, but kind of like in high stress.
Yeah.
It just never grew back. So right now I'm just taking the time to get myself back together.
Okay, awesome. And this is a big thing for you, obviously. We were, this is obviously can be a very emotional thing for you.
It is.
This is a lot for you, even just to take off your bonnet, let alone share it with people. So this is a big step for you.
Feeling very vulnerable
right
now.
I appreciate, and I can appreciate that, and it's very kind of you to do this. I'm just going to zoom in just so we can kind of see what we're doing today. We're going to be focusing on the edges today. There is some hair loss on the top as well too. We're going to table that for now. And we may address that down the road, we may not, but this is the edges are the priority today. So we're going to draw it all out. We'll come back and check on you in a little bit. Sound good?
Sounds
awesome.
Great.
All right. We are back with Sheila. We have drawn the line, did a little bit of shaving. She did not want me to touch the very, very, very front edge. She almost bit my hand off when I tried to. So I let her go with that. So we don't go to the very, very front edge of the very front hair anyway. So we saved the very, very front of her edges, her little baby hairs at the very, very front. So we're going to start right behind that and then proceed as far back as we can go. That first line is the sort of realistic expectations. If we can get more, we'll proceed back towards the corners on both sides. But we'll see what the density looks like. You ready to rock and roll?
I am
All right,
ready.
let's do it. We'll check on you a little later today. All right. Okay. You see you doing okay? All right, you got thumbs up? Thumbs up. All right, so we're finishing up maybe another 10 minutes, maybe not even that much. So we'll go over some post-op instructions and we'll get you out of here soon. All right. We are back with Sheila and we have finished for the day. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Tell everybody how the day went.
It went great.
Good.
I kind of anticipated it badly, but it actually went great.
Good. You anticipated very badly.
I did.
I bet her $1 that at the end of the day, she would say it wasn't that big a deal. And she said it wasn't that big a deal. So she owes me $1 and I was right. So she doesn't have $1 on her, surprisingly. You did fantastic. I'm super happy. We got, like we said before, we didn't get as much as we can. There was a little strip on both sides we couldn't get to, but there's hair there. It's not like there's no hair at all. I think it's going to be awesome. I'm really happy with it.
I'm excited. Very
cool. You're smiling much more now than when you came in. You're pretty nervous. Any words of advice for anybody out there for you 2 years ago? What would you tell yourself 2 years ago?
Come and do it.
Yeah.
I put it off for so long. Just come and do it.
Awesome. I love it. Thank you for doing this. Welcome to the family.
Yeah.
We're going to check in with you periodically throughout the year. Reach out if you have any questions. I'll call you tomorrow to check on you. Thank you so much for doing this. This is great.
Thank you guys.
And we'll see you. Hopefully we'll have the big reveal a year from now. Okay?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.